Kids Daily Adventure, and today we're gonna make Swan Puffs. They look amazing! Well, let's get started. To start, you will need 1 pot, 1 cup of water,
and 9 tablespoons
of unsalted butter. Since this recipe calls for using the stove top and the oven, you will need adult supervision. To begin, you will need to turn your stovetop to the heat of high. Pour in 1 cup of water and 9 tablespoons of butter. And then mix. Mix till your butter is melted. You will now pour your whole 1 cup of flour into your pot quickly. You will now mix your batter quickly. Once your batter is ready, you will need to pour in 6 eggs. You scramble your eggs, and once you have scrambled them, you pour half the mixture into the pot. And mix. Pour in your remaining eggs and mix well. If you don't mix well, then your eggs may get cooked. Smells great! Don't forget your pinch of sugar
and your pinch of salt.
Pour in your pinch of sugar and your
pinch of salt.
If your dough looks like this, it's ready for the oven.
Preheat your oven for 400 degrees. You need a gallon Ziploc bag
and a metal tray with parchment paper. You will get your gallon Ziploc bag and fold your zipper part on the outside
so no batter goes on the zipper part
when you pour your batter in. Get your batter and pour it in.
You must get all the batter.
Bing! Now your dough should look like this. You will need to cut a little bit your tip off and then squeeze your batter onto your pan to make your puffs. Would you like to try?
Yes, please.
Looks like it's ready to put in the oven, but first, let's give it a little splash of water. That's perfect. Since we're dealing with the oven, you will need oven mitts and parental supervision. Open your oven and make sure you stay in back because all the hot air will go towards you if you're in front of it. Careful, it's hot. Put it in, close the door, and set a timer for 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Now that our puffs are baking, you will want to make your cream. Get a glass dish and pour hot water in it.
You need to have a small bowl to put into the pan.
Then you'll get your 2 ounces of plain cream cheese and pour it in. Now you'll mix your cream cheese. Whoa, looks like our puffs are done. Make sure you have parental supervision and oven mitts to take them out of this hot oven. Okay, careful. You will need to pour in your 1/4 cup of sugar. Mix, mix, mix.
Can you hold the bowl, please?
Oh, yes. If your mixture looks like this, then you're ready to remove your hot water bath. Now you will put your mixture in a cold water bath and get your 1 1/3 cup of whipping cream and pour it in. Then you put in your 1 tablespoon of lemon juice.
Let's whip
Whip
it
it
up.
Whip it, whip it. Your cream should now look like this. Then you're ready to put them in your swans. Now that we have made the cream and our puffs, we are going to cut a puff. Make sure you have parental supervision when using a knife. You will cut it in half. Be careful. Now that your puff is ready, put your cream. That is a lot of cream. Get your swan neck, put it in, then cut your other cream in half so you have the wings. You'll put one here, and then the next one on the other side. Then add a little bit of more cream so they all stick together as one. They look amazing. Now it's time to eat them and dig in. Delicious. Did you know that cream puffs actually originate from France? That's cool. I know. They have so many good pastries there.
I hope yours turn out good as ours.
And if you really like this 4Kids Daily Adventure, then please press a big thumbs up or subscribe.